Okay, this is my fellow pilot. His name is Robert.
Hello.
And he's going to be a passenger today. It is now November the 25th. It's pretty crappy weather out there as far as viz, but I think we'll go for it. Okay, you all belted up? You know how to operate the door latch, do you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. Clear prop.
What do you do that?
Clear prop!
Oh, okay. Oh, you're a fart.
That's on video.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay.
It's good, it's real.
Yeah.
Kingston Radio, India Zulu Alpha Charlie.
India Zulu Alpha Charlie, Kingston Radio.
Kingston Radio, India Zulu Alpha Charlie and C42 Ikarus Ultralight. Run up complete on the apron outside of hangar number 4. Just going to do flights in the circuit, touch and goes. Have Atis Hotel looking for requesting your advisory, please.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, Roger. Preferred runway 25, wind 290 at 9, gusting 16, altimeter 2978.
Roger that. Altimeter 2978 will taking Bravo to 25.
Roger, runway 25.
When you repeat back,
Radio Bravo Zulu Bravo 1400, clearing to the northwest, switching to en route frequency.
So our wind is coming at 290 on 25, so it's going to be 40 degrees off to the right.
yeah, when you were, okay, I'll
Go ahead.
Go. When you were radioing back, hotel.
Atis Hotel.
Yeah, okay, so you have to do that? No.
What?
Well, I radio back to run up complete, request your advisory. We all do it a little different.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's not one standard way of doing it.
I pretty much have this. You read that, right?
Right.
So we're going to do the free, lots and lots of right rudder here. We're going to just pick up the nose a little bit. Keep her straight and true. Keep her in ground effect. We're doing 65. Fine. Keeping her at 65. And we're cross-cutting into that 290 wind. Positive rate of climb, 600 feet per minute with 2 guys. That's not too bad. Almost 700 feet per minute. 800 feet, we're going flaps neutral. Pick up the nose. Continue a positive rate of climb at 66 BY. So we're going to do a slow turn here, not too fast a turn. Entering our crosswind. Going to square off to the runway. Kingston Radio, India Zulu Alpha Charlie entering downwind for 25, touch and go.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, right.
About 1,000 feet, things are looking good. Flaps, gauges.
I've never come out this far.
Yeah, you go tighter than that?
Yep. But I mean, that's preference.
Well, you get her 45, you get her between the wing and the tail, right? When the threshold's between the wing and the tail. So I've got everything sort of where I want it to be.
For sure.
I'm still a little fast, but it's windy out. The wind is to our right, so I don't have to worry about turning to final here with Kingston Radio, India Zulu Alpha Charlie, turning final for 25, touch and go.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, Roger, wind 270 at 10, gusting 16.
Roger that. 10 gusting 16. Now this is always a choppy runway. For some reason when you come over, when you come over Bay Ridge, it's just nuts. Okay, so we'll straighten her out. Got the runway locked on. Got to get my speed on. Pick up the nose a bit. Fly her to the numbers. Losing my lock on. Right wing down to make up for the 270. Here's where she always becomes a prick. Now that's gusty. She blew me right off. Okay. We pretty much made the runway. I'm going to keep the right wing down. I'm keeping the wind up, keeping the airspeed up a bit, just so I have authority. Wing down. Starting to look down the runway. Looking down the runway. Keeping those up.
Nice landing.
I'll take it. Thank you. I'll set her up, square her away, get ready for takeoff. Things are looking good. We got our flaps, we got everything. So we're going to pick the nose up again. We got lots of speed. We're going to tip into the wind. Keeping flaps on the white arc. Are you going to fly after me?
I thought Paul's flying with the time is it? 110.
Like, I'm just going to do one more touch and go and then land. And if you want to go up, I'll go up with you.
Sure.
The threshold of 2.5. We're coordinated. Fuel pump is on. I'm about to go flaps once I get my speed down. So now we're going to chop the speed.
We all do it a different way.
Yep. And every time I try to change it, it messes me up. So we're going to take her into flaps. Flaps 1, nose down. Nose up, nose down. Don't you love that?
Yeah.
I love that. It's the only fun you get to have.
Yeah, but you don't do that with a student or your...
No.
You don't do it. You
Well, my buddy who I took, I did all that shit, man. I got him laughing and giggling.
Well, some people don't...
Oh, no, I would never do that with a newbie.
No.
You've got 50 frickin' hours in this thing,
Come
man.
on! That's not fair.
What do you mean?
I'm just kidding.
I should not be able to scare you.
No.
Aircraft is running very nice right now. We got our temperature still a little cool. Anyhow, okay. So, I got my speed in pretty much. I'm at 1,000 feet, sort of where I want to be. And we're going to start turning to final shortly. Again, the wind is coming from the right of the runway, so we can do our final turn sort of late.
Yes.
If the wind is coming this way, you got to watch for that deadly base turn to final death spin. Okay, so we're 800 feet. Kingston Radio, Indy Zulu Alpha Charlie, turning final for 2-5, touch and go.
2 Alpha Charlie, roger. Wind 280 at 8.
Roger that. So the wind's down a bit, but it's over to the right a bit more. We got 30 degrees to the right.
Yep.
I got my speed locked on. I might do a bit of a crosswind here. I'm just doing a, there we go. Slow this baby down. There we go. Okay, so I'm locking on the runway here. I got my numbers in sight. Right wing down to make up for the wing, for the wind. Coming shy. Got my speed good though. Looking down the runway. Nose up.
Smooth.
Yeah. It was smooth, but I sort of squirreled it. You know, Zach always says, don't do that to yourself. You do that too, don't you?
No. What do you mean?
I give myself shit for my landings. You said smooth, and I was like, yeah, I didn't like it.
Well, it's how you feel. It's how you feel.
Yeah. But he always wants you to not criticize it. Again, when you get into the psychology of teaching, like I got to see what kind of student I was. It was quite neat, actually. Okay, positive rate of climb, 700 feet. So we're actually doing, we can climb like mad.
We're
with the
doing
two of
good,
us.
eh?
Yeah. So we got 66 knots. We're in flaps range. Positive rate of climb, we're at 700 feet. Engine is still quite cool, so I'll take her back 1 notch. I don't want to overheat it. Kingston Radio, Indy Zulu Alpha Charlie. Downwind for 25 will be a full stop.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, roger.
Okay, so this got me back into feeling comfortable again. I'm going to do this every frickin' week. Just go up for a half-hour flight, pick up the nose, pick up the nose. Maybe I'll pick up the nose. Go flaps 1, drop the nose. I know you love that. Oh man, I'm surprised. Don't you do that just for fun?
Oh, I just don't.
I
like it nice and smooth.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. That's fine. We already got ice. I can't believe we already have ice.
See, you're learning to watch and appreciate the ground beneath you. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we got flaps in. We got our speed almost locked away. We're at about 1,100 feet. That's not a very square turn, Davey. Fail. If we have an engine out, can we make the runway? Maybe not.
Well, it's hard to say. I mean, it does have a good glide ratio.
No. Kingston Radio, India Zulu Alpha Charlie, turning final for 25 full stop.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, roger. Wind 270 at 6.
Roger. That's nice. The wind's going to get real nice if you want to fly. Well, we're going to throttle right back. I'm going to keep the right wing down because it's still 20 degrees off the right of the runway.
Do you always do that with the right wing?
You got to align the runway, absolutely.
Absolutely, eh?
Well, how are you going to keep locked on the runway? Oh, do you crab?
No, I just bring it in. I've never really. I probably do it, but I don't consciously.
You have to.
I probably just don't consciously think of it.
If you don't fight the wind, you just blow like going downstream. So I'm going to do a little forward slip here, just a wee bit. Because I want to get off on Bravo. Save myself a bit of time. So yeah, if you don't keep right wing down, you got to always angle into the wind.
Well, maybe I'm not doing enough of the crosswind landings.
Well, at 51 hours, you've done tons.
Oh, I must be, but I'm not consciously knowing it.
That's all I can think.
What's that?
That's all I can think. Okay, so I'm looking down the runway here. Right wing down.
Awesome touchdown.
Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, awesome. You're a good passenger, man. I like that.
That was, when credit's due, you got to give it.
Hey, that's part of the flight instructor thing.
That is smooth, man. That was good.
Oh, well, but I had perfect. This was really, really nice wind. So we're getting off in Bravo, so I get to save some time.
For sure. I always like getting off as soon as you can. Yeah, to save yourself time. And
Kingston Radio, Indy Zulu Alpha Charlie, down and clear 25 on Bravo.
Zulu Alpha Charlie, roger.
Yeah, she's flying good today, this little piece of machinery. I should have dropped.
Because they usually got the cables, right?
Yeah.
They don't want you to... You chop her across the cables, you may hit a...
But to be honest with you, I have not found a nice way in.
No, there's no...
Like, there's that big bump there. This is a bump here. If you go to the right, you hit that prick. There's no nice way in.
We're in no rush, right?
No. I'm just trying to... I'm always looking for the prettiest way in. Haven't found it. Okay. Well, I've taken... You're my 5th passenger, lad. That's pretty cool.
You're a good man. Good flying.
Complimented my landing, so you're welcome to come anytime.
No, honestly, they were good, smooth landings. You let it flare perfect. I mean, you just let it sink, let it sink, let it sink, and then you just...
But I did have some really nice wind. That was at 6 knots. When we took off, they were saying gusting 16, right? Okay. Lock on. And we're going to go over the Mag 2, Mag 1, turn off that Hobbs.
So remember we were having a discussion about does the Hobbs run when you turn on the key? Yeah. And we said it was the motor. The Hobbs runs without the motor on.
It does?
Yeah. So remember I just wanted to test the radio? Remember I just wanted to test my headset? Okay, so this is Paul. He is now my 5th official... Oh no, yeah.
Thanks a lot. Yeah,
you're Robert.
I'm jumping out.
I'm editing that out. Hey, so this is my 5th official passenger. His name is Rob, not Paul. It was a good flight. Thanks, Rob.
Very nice landing.
There. You heard it from him, man.
Oh, yes.
I didn't tell him to say that.
No.
Didn't pay him anything.
No.